Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechEase. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and set up Free Download Manager, an awesome tool that helps you download large files efficiently. The best part? Even if you shut down your PC, Free Download Manager will continue downloading from where you left off. So, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Free Download Manager. You should see the official website at the top of the search results. Click on that. Now, on the Free Download Manager website, you'll see that the software is available for multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Once you've selected your version, click the Download button, and the installer will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the setup file. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install the program on your computer. After installation is done, you can find and open Free Download Manager from your desktop or Start menu. Now, let's set up Free Download Manager with Chrome. In the app, click on the three-line icon at the top right corner, as shown in the video. Then, click on Preferences. Next, click on Browser Integration from the left-hand menu. You'll see three options, one for Edge, one for Chrome, and one for Firefox. Since I'm using Chrome, I'll select Chrome. A new page will open in Chrome, asking you to install the Free Download Manager extension. Click on the Add to Chrome button. Now that you've set it up, whenever you download something from Chrome, Free Download Manager will automatically open. You'll be able to choose where to save the file and even change the file name if needed. If you want to stop Free Download Manager from working on certain sites or for a specific period, here's how you do it. Open Chrome, click on the extension icon, then click on Free Download Manager. You can either click Pause to catch downloads from all sites to stop it from downloading temporarily, or choose Don't Catch Downloads from this site to block it on specific websites. Remember, the downloads will still continue, but the Free Download Manager will be disabled for those sites. If you want to enable it again, simply untick the options you selected earlier. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and fully set up Free Download Manager on your system. It's a great tool for managing large downloads, and the best part is that it will resume downloads even if you turn off your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechEase for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.